Have you ever noticed that despite all your efforts to eat healthily, you are not seeing the expected results? This could be due to mistakes you make in your daily eating routine. In this text, we will help you identify these missteps and correct them to optimize your health and well-being. Here are the top 10 food mistakes we will address. 1. Skipping meals. Many believe that skipping breakfast helps with weight loss. In reality, this can slow down your metabolism. Example, most nutritionists recommend a balanced breakfast to boost your energy. 2. Eating too many processed foods. Processed foods can contain harmful additives. Example, granola bars, often considered healthy, can be high in added sugars. 3. Not reading labels. Ignoring nutritional information can lead to poor choices. Example, tomato sauce may seem healthy, but checking the sugar content is essential. 4. Underestimating hydration. Not drinking enough water can harm your digestion and skin. Example, replacing sodas with sparkling water can make a big difference. 5. Consuming too many liquid calories. Smoothies and juices can be very high in calories. Example, a homemade smoothie can contain as many calories as a full meal if you're not careful. 6. Not consuming enough fiber. Fiber is essential for good digestion. Example, add legumes to your dishes to increase your fiber intake. 7. Fearing fats. Healthy fats are crucial for the body. Example, olive oil and avocados are sources of beneficial fats. 8. Not varying your diet. A monotonous diet can lead to nutritional deficiencies. Example, try new recipes each week to diversify your nutrients. 9. Confusing hunger with the desire to eat. Learning to recognize your body's signals is essential. Example, before snacking, ask yourself if you are really hungry. 10. Not allowing yourself treats. Completely depriving yourself can lead to frustration. Example, include small treats in your diet, like a piece of dark chocolate. By reading this text, you will not only learn to avoid these mistakes, but also improve your relationship with food. Discover practical tips for adopting a healthier and more balanced diet, helping you achieve your health and wellness goals. If you found this text helpful, be sure to share it with others looking for nutritional advice and delicious recipes. Share your own food mistakes and how you plan to correct them. Thank you for following, and see you soon for more enriching content.